Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make this top favorite bar at the top so that it will be more convenient when you're pressing your favorite. So basically this is the favorite bar, and you want to activate this favorite bar, you can go to the top menu bar. You can find this one, show favorite bar, but mine is now as high because I already shown in my panel bar. So basically let me try. So first you can try at the wheel at the menu bar, and you can just show as favorite bar. After that you can have your favorite bar here, and if you want to remove the favorite inside the favorite bar, you can just drag it out and you will basically remove. And if you want to like add into the favorite bar, let me show you. So you can just drag this towards here. So you can just take out and also drag it and put towards. So and you can rename it. So basically that's all. Thank you.